Jingpynjem. But ngan puli naka gospel jungu Matthews kaba kathindriyu katkindai. Ngan ai happy yaki shabi jonka hima bening kat yakaba pinte haka perte lalate ha beningru but kat yakaba pinlau haka perte lalau ha benengru. Kane kakatin kabaw Jesu ulakran hau Petrus kahikai yangiru haju kapor halor kane ka indulgence Jingpynjem. Jingpynjem na baru ki pop ki bangilate pla. Habang ikran halor ka Jingpynjem haka CCC jingikai jangka balang Catholic kaba katsaw hinyupo uwe article katsaw hinyupo uwe ka karen kumne ka define kumno ka betay kumno ka indulgence as a remission before God of the temporal punishment due to sins whose guilt has already been forgiven, which the faithful Christian who is duly disposed gains under certain prescribed conditions through the action of the church, as the minister of redemption dispenses and applies with authority the treasury of the satisfaction of Christ and the saints. Ngan pulay sa kawaypat ka article nandangan batay hakatin ka CEP. Katsaus pa hinyo po ka kren halor artiliki jing mi jongapo. Eternal punishment which deprives us of communion with God and makes us incapable of eternal life. Kanekalong na marka po baya. Temporal punishment, an unhealthy attachment to creatures that needs purification either on earth or in purgatory. Indulgences concerns this temporal punishment. Nangda katsaus pa hinyupu lai karen kumne kaneka clarifies that forgiveness of sin removes eternal punishment, but the temporal punishment remains. Christians should accept temporal punishment as a grace and strive to put off the old man through works of mercy